Do you doubt your salvation? Do you wonder if you have truly been born again? Are you confused about the gospel? Or do certain scriptures trouble you? If you answer yes, then this website is for you. Hi, I'm Richard Fulton. Thanks for visiting KnowI'mSaved.com, a ministry dedicated to helping people who are seeking assurance of their salvation. Several years ago, I had a very long and difficult battle over whether or not I was saved, or for that matter, could even be saved, and I struggled with what seemed like every issue imaginable. During that difficult time, I determined that if God ever helped me out of the confusion that I was in, that I would do what I could to help others who were in that same condition. First of all, I want to encourage you by telling you this. If you want to know that you're saved, you can. God loves you, and He will give you the help that you need. Turn your attention now to the following icons that are above me. You need to start by listening to the Hear Messages section. Once you're there, listen to the core messages first, and then any other messages that may fit your particular need. You may also find comfort and help by listening to people give their testimonies of how God delivered people just like you from the doubt and confusion that they were struggling with as well. To listen to those testimonies, visit the Hear Testimonies section. Also, for some excellent literature on this subject, visit the Helpful Literature section. Lastly, don't forget, you can contact me at any time for help by simply writing me at help@knowimsaved.com. I check my email every day, and I would love to hear from you. Okay, friend, that's it. Now let's get started by getting you some help.